Very good morning, children. Welcome to the today class. Today we are going to continue that exercise 8.4. That is the fifth main. Prove the following identities. Yesterday, first, second, that is, and third and fourth completed. Third, fourth completed yesterday. This is the fourth one. The first, second, and third completed. First, second, third, and fourth. This is the fifth main, fourth and fifth main. First, second, third completed. This is the fourth one. Now let us continue. Fifth main, fourth one. 1 plus secant A by secant A equal to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. We have to prove this one. Here already they are given a hint. They are given simplify LHS and RHS separately. This hint is very important. We have to take the LHS and RHS separately. That I am going to take the LHS first of all. It is here. The LHS equals to what is the LHS here now? Solution. LHS equals to 1 plus secant A by this is secant A. Here what we are going to get, just look at here now. 1 plus secant A means 1 by cos A. By here also secant A means 1 by cos A. So equals to here LCM cos A into 1. Cos A plus 1 by cos A. This is numerator part. Denominator part 1 by cos A. This is whole by. Then after we are going to get therefore cos A plus 1 by cos A into reciprocally writing. This is cos A by 1. Cos A cancel. Therefore cos A plus 1, this is equals to LHS. Therefore LHS equals to cos A plus 1. Then RHS I am going to take. What is RHS equals to? Sin square A by 1 minus cos A. As per the identity 1, what is identity 1? Sin square A means 1 minus cos square A by 1 minus cos A. Sir, how it is? Identity we have, since I am writing here, this is identity. What is identity? Tell me now. Sin square A, first identity, sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. So from this one we have to write sin square A. What is the sin square A equals to? 1 minus cos square A. This is the identity 1. From the identity 1 we are getting sin square A equals to 1 minus cos square A. Instead of sin square equal 1 minus cos square A. So children, I should write here now. 1 means 1 square I am writing. Any doubt? There is 1 square equal to 1 only. 1 minus cos square A by 1 minus cos A. Sir, why sir we are writing 1 square? A square minus B square. What is the A square minus B square formula? Equals to A plus B into A minus B. Here it is 1 square 1 minus. Therefore cos A 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. Here it is what is the A square minus B square formula? A plus B into A minus B. A means 1, B means cos A. Therefore 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Therefore 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A cancel, 1 plus cos A. This is 1 plus cos A. What is this one? RHS equals to, therefore RHS equals to 1 plus cos A. LHS equals how much it is? Cos A plus 1. Cos A plus 1 or 1 plus cos A. If you only write 1 plus cos A, this is no problem. 1 plus cos A. LHS equal to 1 plus cos A and RHS also 1 plus cos A. Both, and that's why they are given hint. Simplify LHS and RHS separately. Therefore, I am writing here LHS equals to RHS. This is proved. Next, then when we are coming to the next problem, it is fifth main, fifth one. Fifth main, fifth one. It is prove that cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equals to cosecant A plus So here also they are given using the identity cosecant square equals to 1 plus cot square. They are given identity. When identity is required, we can use it. So children, look at here now. We have to do this one. LHS equals to I am writing. Therefore LHS equals to cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1. So this is we have to divide it. Divide numerator. NR means numerator and DR denominator. Numerator denominator with sin A. The complete numerator and denominator you have to divide with the sin A. Here just look at here now. Therefore cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. This is numerator. Then when we are coming to the denominator part, cos A by sin A plus sin A by cos A minus 1 by sin A. That means the given problem we have to divide numerator and denominator. This is very very important. Related of this one example problem is there. I will tell you that I will give in that WhatsApp group. Very very important for 5 marks question this academic year. So just divide the sin A. Cos by sin. What is the cos by sin? That is cot A. Minus sin A by sin A cancel 1. Plus 1 by sin A means cosecant A. Or by cos by sin. Cot A plus sin A by cos A. Sin A here we have to write sin A. Sin by sin no. Plus 1 cancellation. Minus 1 by sin A means cosecant. Children, you should write first trigonometric ratios in one place. Cot A plus cosecant A minus 1. This is cot A plus cosecant A minus 1. Then denominator part also. Cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. So you have to just write the bracket here. If you want, you can write here also bracket. There is no problem at all. So when you are writing the bracket answer, what is the answer is required? Once verify here it is. Cosecant A plus cot A is required. When cosecant A cot A, just now I am dividing that numerator and denominator with multiplying. Yes. Numerator and denominator with cosecant A cot A plus cosecant. So here when we are coming here, cot A plus cosecant A minus 1, down it is cot A minus cosecant A plus 1 into what is the numerator denominator? Cot A plus cosecant A by cot A plus cosecant A. This is we have to multiply the numerator and denominator the cot A plus cosecant A. So now we should not change any numerator part. Numerator part is as it is. Here I am coming from numerator part. What is it? Cot A plus cosecant A minus 1 into cot A plus cosecant A. Denominator you have to multiply. This is one term, this is another term. Cot A minus cosecant A is the first term, plus 1 is the second term. This is we have to multiply. Cot A plus cosecant A into cot A minus cosecant A. Therefore, cot A minus cosecant A into cot A plus cosecant A minus 1 plus 1 into cot A plus cosecant. Children, here a minus b here it is. A minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b means a square minus b square. Therefore, cot a plus cosecant a minus 1 into cot a plus cosecant a by here a plus b is cot square a minus cosecant square a. These two are what are they are? A minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b. What is that? A square minus b square. Into, then you have to write here plus, it is a plus cot a plus cosecant a. So here we are coming numerator as it is cot a plus cosecant a minus 1 into what is that? Cot a plus cosecant a. But here identity is there. What is identity? Tell me. Identity is just an identity. What is identity? Cosecant square a minus cot square a equals to 1. Identity. This is the third identity. When we are come, just take the minus down here. Minus cosecant square a plus cot square a equals to 1 means minus plus. Therefore, here it is. What is that? Minus. You have to write minus cosecant square a minus into plus minus cot square. Therefore, minus 1 is coming outside. Otherwise, you do one. Change this one from here. Cot square a minus cosecant square. Cot, this minus is required. Here it is. Cot square a multiplied minus cot square a plus is required is minus cosecant. Therefore, from this one, cot square a minus cosecant square a equals to minus 1. From here it is there. Cot square a minus cosecant square is minus 1. Minus 1 plus cot a plus cosecant. Instead of this one, here I am writing this is 1. Look at here, children, minus 1 plus cot a plus cosecant. Complete. Cancels. Therefore, remaining one is cot a plus cosecant a. Therefore, cosecant a plus cot a equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. This is the given problem. So the first one is we have to prove that one LHS separating. When LHS we got it, answer is 1 plus cos a. RHS also we got 1 plus cos a. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Already they are given hint, they are given. Simplify LHS and RHS separately. This is the first one. Fifth main, fourth one. This is fifth main, fifth one. The given problem we have to divide the numerator and denominator with sin a. Cos by sin means cot, sin by sin means 1, and 1 plus sin means cosecant. Denominator same like that only. When we are coming here, multiply with the numerator. This NR means numerator, shortcut. Numerator and denominator with the cot a plus cosecant a. When we are multiplying numerator as it is up to end of the problem, denominator we have to multiply. These two when we are multiplying a plus b to a minus b, a square minus b square, and remaining plus 1 into cot a plus cosecant a means cot a plus cosecant a. This is identity one formula here. Identity cosecant square a minus cot square equals to 1. Therefore, cot square a minus cosecant square equals minus 1. There is a minus 1 plus cot a plus cosecant. These two get cancelled. Then the remaining one is this one. So, these are the two sums for today class. Tomorrow we will continue. The homework will be given in the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.